Hi again, happy Monday. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just filming a random vlog again. I have more specific videos coming and planned, but it's just that it's taking me more time to film and organize. Like I need to buy some ingredients, for example, or if I film home workouts, I need to organize the workout, test it, film it. But I still feel like vlogging because I don't want you to miss some of my weeks or what's happening. I need to actually find vegan butter because apparently in France we do have vegan butter, which I wasn't aware of that. And so I was looking for like cashew butter or coconut butter, but something dairy free so I can make vegan frosting on my cakes, because when I make my cake gluten free and then dairy free and refined sugar free, blah blah blah, when my cake is like super healthy and then you add the sugar on top, that's like ruining a bit the cake. Okay, so I need to find vegan butter for that. And then the last thing that I need to find is weights. So I need to buy like dumbbells or kettlebells, like some weights, because gyms are closing again. So they are closing gyms, they are closing bars, they are being more strict with restaurants and stuff like this. I mean, I love my mat and I love doing like body weights exercises, and I know you can really kill yourself with body weight exercises, but I need some weights. And concerning dumbbells, I need to say something out loud, and I don't know if I'm the only person thinking like this. Why do you make colorful dumbbells, like pink dumbbells and then green dumbbells and red dumbbells? And is my room supposed to be like a rainbow? You could have just put everything in black. That would have been perfect. Like black is fine, black fits everything, but no, you decided to put it in green. Like, why do you do that? This is stressing me out.
Kidding, you're not.
I'm back from the store, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unpack a few things that I found, but before that I'm just gonna drink some water, because I am so thirsty and it's so hot all of a sudden. I don't know what's happening with the weather, but yeah, it's freaking cool, and then it's like 30 degrees. I found a pan, but it's like a square one and it's like in glass. I was searching for a white one in ceramic kind of pan. That will do the job, okay? I didn't find anything else. The other ones were too big or way too heavy, or like 100 euros. Like, no. This one was 5 euros, so that's why I bought it as well. Concerning the weights, everything was sold out. Like everything, and I checked on the website and everything is sold out as well. The kettlebell, out of stock. The dumbbells, out of stock. Man, what the heck? What is going on? Like everyone is thinking the same. Grabbed these two, which are 2 kilos and like, yeah, 2 kilos 50, which is great. I was searching for 4 so I can do legs and I can do like shoulders and back, which will be better, but that will be fine. Then I checked my mailbox and I had a few things. Am I the only one feeling like a kid when I order stuff online? Because when I receive them, it's like, it feels like it's a surprise. I truly know what's inside of it, but I'm like, oh, that's like a surprise, that's like a gift. But it's not, because I paid it with my money and I know what it is, but it feels like a gift or like a surprise. Okay, so I've been wanting this book for so long. If you're a true vegan or if you're like into recipes, you know this girl, you know her. It's Elsa Wholesome, and she does such amazing recipes. Everything tastes incredible. It is so cool, like so cool. I love her food photography, it's insane. And then there's this one. I hope nothing is broken. I feel like I'm a mom because I get excited for this kind of stuff and people get excited for like partying or a bottle of vodka, but for me this is exciting. I love bowl jars. I bought some when I was in Canada and I couldn't bring them to France, but it's like the best containers or like the best jars ever. I was so keen. Like, look how gorgeous it is. Eat your fruits, man.
You think I'm kidding? You're not.
So this morning I had a few errands to make, so I went out and I do some grocery shopping. Who's surprised? But today it's not a health food grocery haul or like an organic food or veggies food haul. It's more a Asian grocery shopping haul. I basically wanted to make more Indonesian or Japanese or Chinese, Vietnamese kind of recipes. They use a lot of ingredients and spices and herbs and sauces. The first thing that I bought is soy sauce. It's the most basic thing that you can buy. I think you can use it in pretty much every, I mean, not every Asian recipes, but a lot of recipes use that. I bought the reduced salt one because most of the soy sauce have a lot of salt in it, so I was trying to find a healthier option. Let's keep with the sauces. This one is super famous. It's called Sriracha sauce. So it's basically super spicy sauce with chili in it. Now concerning oil, I bought the sesame oil. Another really important basic is rice vinegar. You use that a lot in Japanese food, and I use it for my sushis, for my soups, anything. So I bought a medium bottle. Concerning drinks, I'm not a fan of any Asian drinks except the Japanese coffee because it's super sweet and most of the time with a lot of milk, so that's why I love it. Concerning the other drinks, I found them extremely sweet, so I don't really enjoy the taste of it. But if you're like a sweet tooth, I'm sure you're gonna like it. So I don't buy any kind of Asian drink, but Anthony loves milk tea, so I bought 2 of them. I finally bought, this is the only place that I can find jackfruit here, so I bought 2 cans of jackfruit because you can use it as a vegan option in tacos, in burritos, in curries. It's like, apparently it tastes like chicken, so I want to try that. Rice noodles in like vermicelli. You can make spring rolls or you can add them to soups. Of course, another basic is rice paper. You can make so many spring rolls with that, and I'm obsessed with spring rolls. Our favorite thing in the whole world, curry. So Japanese curry tastes really different from Indian curry or the curry that we make here, and it's incredible. So you put that with a bit of water and you let it like stir, so it kind of creates a texture or mixture. To go with meat or chicken, I bought this panko breadcrumbs, black sesame seeds to put on top of sushis, makis, tofu, any nourish bowl. Tapioca pearl because I want to actually try to make my own bubble tea. I looked at the recipe to make bubble tea and it's actually so freaking long. Like, I thought it would take a few minutes to cook that, but it's a really long process. A bag of bean sprouts, of course, to put in pho, to put in ramens, with pad thai, any noodles or soups. Lastly, I bought some spring onions, so I just cut that and I pour that on top of pretty much a lot of my meals, and it tastes amazing. They had so many different herbs that I don't even know. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I bought from this Asian grocery store. I can't wait to make meals with it. So for my lunch, I just made this super easy and quick omelette. So I just had 3 eggs, then I put feta on top with some pickled red onion. If you want the recipes, you go check that out on my website. I posted a new blog post on how to make your own pickled onion, which tastes incredible. And I added a little bit of coriander, some sprouts, salad, and that's it.
For real. Eat them for that balanced meal. Eat your fruits, man. Stay healthy. You better eat your fruits. Put down the poor moose.
I just made my lunch, which is a Thai salad. This one is so yummy and so quick and easy to make. I just shredded some carrots and zucchini in my blender. Then I put a little bit of sesame oil, like I put 2 teaspoons of it. Then 1 tablespoon of Nyokman sauce, or just fish sauce. It's also called fish sauce. A little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon. I put 1 lemon in it, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and I just mix that up. And also I usually use roasted peanuts, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just pour like 2 teaspoons of crunchy peanut butter, and it just works the same. Bunch of coriander and a little bit of black sesame seeds because it looks so cute. My camera is about to die, so I'm just gonna cut this video really quick. I hope you did enjoy the grocery haul, the recipes, the unboxing and everything. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the upcoming videos, the upcoming content, next recipes, the next workouts, and I wish you a happy Sunday and a happy week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!